Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create a guest administrator user in Salesforce and how to deactivate it when it's no longer needed. First, log into Salesforce and click the gear icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Users. Next, enter the new user's email address. Make sure it's accurate. This will be their main contact point. Then assign the system administrator profile to give them full access. This is perfect for temporary admin tasks. After that, click Send Invitation. This sends an email so they can set up their login credentials and get started. Once their work is done, it's time to deactivate the account. Go back to the gear icon, select Users, and find the guest admin in the list. Click Deactivate on their profile to revoke access and keep your org secure. And that's it. You've successfully created and deactivated a guest administrator in Salesforce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.